Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect Klaviyo with the Ecomsend app so you can start sending automated emails, pop-ups, and newsletters to your store visitors. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Open your Ecomsend pop-ups and email app. Go to your Shopify dashboard and open the Ecomsend pop-ups and email app. Once you're inside, look at the left-hand menu and click on Settings, then select Integrations. In the Integrations page, find Klaviyo and click Connect. Ecomsend will ask for two things from your Klaviyo account: your public API key and your private API key. Step 3. Get your API keys from Klaviyo. Open a new tab and log in to your Klaviyo account. On the left side, go to Account, then Settings, and select API keys. Copy your public key, go back to Ecomsend, and paste it. Then click Create Private Key in Klaviyo. Copy it and paste it into Ecomsend. Step 4. Finish the connection. After pasting both keys, click Save or Connect. If everything is correct, you'll see a message confirming that Klaviyo connected successfully. Now all your pop-ups, email captures, and subscribers from Ecomsend will automatically sync into your Klaviyo lists. Step 5. Test the integration. To make sure everything works, create a quick pop-up or form in Ecomsend. Submit an email, then check your Klaviyo dashboard. You should see the email appear instantly. Outro. And that's it. You've successfully connected Klaviyo with the Ecomsend app. Now you can start building flows, automations, and powerful email campaigns with all your new subscribers. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.